I think for many of us, becoming a professional travel photographer is the ultimate dream. Getting paid to travel the world and do one of the things that we love most, take photos, is absolutely amazing. I also think that most people don't believe that that's a reality, but from experience, I can tell you that it is. My name is Sean Dalton and I'm a professional travel and lifestyle photographer from San Francisco, California. I spend 335 days of the year outside my home country, traveling to places that inspire me and places that I've always wanted to visit, and I get paid to do this. But I didn't always have this life. 3 years ago, I finished my master's degree in a field that I was passionate about and that I loved, but at the end of the day, it wasn't my ultimate dream. I had put photography on the side during my studies, but traveling again reignited that passion within me, and I just couldn't put my camera down. I kind of fell into the role as a travel photographer. It just kind of happened. I was traveling and I wanted to continue traveling and I needed a way to make money. So I figured it out and I taught myself how to monetize my photography so I can continue traveling the world like I do today. And today, in this course, I'm going to share those things that I've learned over the years so that you can follow in my footsteps and become a professional travel photographer as well. So in this course, we're going to talk about the steps you can take to becoming a professional travel photographer. I'm going to discuss several ways to generate income while abroad and help you navigate the process of starting your career as a professional travel photographer. Is it easy? No. Is it life-changing? Absolutely. And I know for a fact that if you take this course, you can do it. So this course is basically for anybody that has an interest in traveling the world and taking photos for a living. Maybe you've always dreamed of becoming a professional travel photographer, but you just didn't know how to do it. Or maybe this is your first time ever hearing about it and you're just intrigued. But at the end of the day, no matter who you are, this course is going to help you think outside the box so you can start working for yourself, traveling the world, and doing one of the things that you love to do most, taking photos. With that said, guys, I really hope you take the time to enroll in this course. We have a lot of stuff we're going to talk about. I think you will find it valuable. And with that said, let's get into it.